Hello! We are now live here in the Louvre in Abu Dhabi, and I have a good friend here.
Hi, my name is Faith.
Si Faith, and of course, no, yours truly, Dr. Josephine Grace Chuarojo. And ngayon po, live tayo dito, and I would like to share with you some of the things na Faith is also concerned about for her mom and her
my
aunt.
mom. Yes, my mom and my aunt. My mom is having arthritis.
Arthritis.
Yeah,
Arthritis.
arthritis. And my tita, which is having anxiety attack.
Anxiety attack. So, dalawa yung concern. Si Mami, anong pangalan ni Mami?
Arlene.
Hello, Mami Arlene, and I think she's also Ilongga.
Yeah!
So, we are both Ilongga. We're actually both from Bacolod.
Yeah.
But we meet in Dubai, and
Yeah.
now we're here in Abu Dhabi. She's the one who's giving me a tour together with, of course, Sir V.
Yes.
They are part of the team of Conversion Engine. Sila po yung magtra-transport ng ating low carb and fasting masterclass in a website because we want to be productive in a sense that we want to offer everyone the chance to be a part of our masterclass, hindi lang basta sa Facebook. So stay tuned. We are very, very excited for the Conversion Engine to help us in order for us to promote this advocacy in an even wider range of people, and of course, para lahat po tayo maging healthy. But of course, to my good friend Faith, number one problem ni Mommy is arthritis, no?
Yes.
So arthritis is just the inflammation of the joint. So parating mga sumasakit yung joints, yung, let me guess, every morning kapag gising niya sa umaga, pero so parang sumasakit na.
Yes.
And then as she goes through the day, para bang nawawala yung sakit?
Yeah, while she's walking.
While she's walking,
Yeah.
it's like after immobility, after a certain time na hindi gumagalaw, dun yung sumasakit. And then as she goes through the day, dun gumagawa na ng trabaho sa work, sa...
It becomes normal.
It
sa
becomes
kanya.
normal,
Yeah.
no? How young is your mom?
47.
47, very, very young.
Yeah.
But actually, that kind of arthritis is specifically known as osteoarthritis. It is considered to be part of aging. And osteoarthritis is like nagkakaroon ng minute inflammation within the joint. And yung classic na kanyang manifestation is kapag certain time na hindi ito ginagamit, mas sumasakit. And as you go along the day na mas gumagalaw na, nawawala na ito. And for standard medical practice, sabi nito, parang tanggapin na lang natin because part of aging. At kung meron mang gustong pain reliever, paracetamol is okay, just paracetamol. But we know that the real problem is not just the pain. Giving paracetamol is just symptomatic relief, but it's not addressing the root cause. So if I may ask, ilang beses kumain ng rice ang mami mo?
3 times a day.
3 times a day? Kumakain din ba ng fruits?
Yes.
What kind of fruits does she love?
Orange and apple.
Almost on a day-to-day basis?
Yes.
Anong ginagamit na oil sa bahay?
Oil and cooking oil.
Anong cooking oil yun?
Sunflower.
Sunflower oil! Oh my! And then, how about dessert? Nagda-dessert ba?
Yeah, mostly chocolate cake.
Mostly chocolate cake. And then yung snacks, bread?
Chips.
Chips! Oh my! So, and now, I think we don't need to really be confused about it or even wonder kung bakit nagkaroon ng osteoarthritis yung mami mo, because actually, she is eating too many inflammatory foods on a day-to-day basis. So, we can just remove the rice, we can remove the bread, the chips, the fruits even sa ngayon. Fruits is in our caution list. For those who are seeing this for the first time, try to watch our video on why fruits are in our caution list para mas maintindihan po. Don't judge muna. Huwag masyadong magpanic na pinagbabawalan kayo ng fruits. It's not forever. It's just that when your body still needs healing, hindi tayo kailangan magpasobra-sobra when it comes to fruits. You are better off eating vegetables and also meat and other proteins and good fats. And I'm sorry, sunflower may not be the best kind of fats when it comes to cooking. Kung gusto nyo ng cooking oil, you can use coconut oil. Pwede pa nga yung butter, pwede yung ghee, pwede yung lard or taba ng baboy, pwede rin yung taba ng baka, which is tallow. Hindi natin sinasabi na hindi nakakain si mami mo, but she can actually eat good foods that are not inflammatory. Hindi, if you can imagine, maybe she is also trying to like eat parang healthy, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi na kumakain ng baboy, hindi ko nag-iiwas sa karne, puro isda na lang, kakaunting chicken. But see, she's not the best of her health. 47 is still too young para magkaroon ng osteoarthritis. So, Mami Arlene, no?
Yeah.
Mami Arlene, I hope you are watching and try to look at our safe list. Meron tayong, check nyo lang, hashtag JGC Rojo Food List and focus more on the safe list. During your first month of of transitioning to low-carb lifestyle or just for the heck of trying it, try nyo lang kumain kahit unlimited pa during the first month. You will just surprise yourself na yung usual na ginugutom ka at 7, 10, 12, 3, 5 p.m. pagkagabi, dinner, and then midnight snacks, it will all be gone. Those people who are practicing low-carb nutrition and fasting na hindi na nagpo-fuel mostly on sugar and carbohydrates will actually realize that you only need 1 or 2 meals in a day. But you can never imagine that if you keep on fueling on carbohydrates and sugar, just like bread, just like chips, just like rice, and also the fructose and glucose that are in fruits. And these cravings, these inflammation can manifest differently from person to person. Your mom is having inflammation in the joints, but your Aunt Beth, am I right? Hello, Aunt Beth. Thank you so much for always watching us, and I hope you realize. Okay, magko-close na tayo in 15 minutes, so we also have to hurry. So for yes. Oh, open yung restaurant. You can transfer there. But for Tita Beth, thank you so much for always watching us. Yes. I'm
proud of you.
Talaga. Sobrang good. It's always heartwarming. It's always heartwarming to have those. Sige, pakinggan muna natin. Okay, I think that's enough of the announcements. And inflammation, lahat pala ng language. Lahat ng language has been stated. Ano na yan? I think they usually do Arabic, and then English, and Filipino. Yeah, they're also. That's what I like about Dubai. It's very diverse. For me, it's a land of possibility talaga. And there's not much discrimination here. So us Filipinos can really come in here very comfortably. Parang wala talaga. It's really welcoming. That's why I also chose to Dubai to be in here right now. And of course, moving forward to Mommy Beth, Tita Beth, inflammation can manifest differently from person to person. Kung kay Mommy Arlene, it manifests as joint inflammation. For other people, it can come out as inflammation in the brain, and it manifests as emotions, and it can manifest as anxiety. So just try to do it. Kung magkasama sila, they can actually try to do cleansing when it comes to their food intake, and they will just be surprised. Anxiety, if I may ask, baka meron din siyang GERD symptoms, yung parang reflux. The other end, plus of course the aches and pains. How young is Mommy Beth? 50, still very young. My mom is already 66 years old, so, and I refuse to believe that she's already old. Okay, so how much more 47 or 50? So marami talagang, we can never underestimate the benefit of doing good nutrition, properly nourishing our body while at the same time cleansing it. So fasting, like intermittent fasting on a day-to-day basis, it's cleansing. And low carb is nourishing the body para hindi na siya maging mapuno ulit ng basura, mapuno ulit ng inflammation. So I hope this one helps her. And for those of you who also have the same problems, try to join our Facebook group, Life Without Rice and Low Carb Feasting and Fasting Community. And for those naman who want to have a guided approach when it comes to low carb nutrition and fasting, because we are not just promoting just low carb or just fasting. I'm so sorry, but I cannot vouch for other ways of doing it. I can only vouch for what I studied. I can only vouch for for the protocols that I made myself. So I hope if you'd consider joining our low carb and fasting masterclass for health optimization, for disease prevention, and for specific disease, I invite you to just message our admins, and soon we will have a low carb and fasting masterclass page for you to officially enroll in that group. And of course, our platform,
help, the conversionengine.com.
In the conversion engine. And for those of you who needed help, say for example for your website, I think they can be the best kind of people that you can work with. And with that, I would like to invite, come here, V. So here is V, part of the team also of the conversion engine.
Hello.
Sila po ang tutulong sa atin, and I'm so happy. I can never be thankful enough na tutulungan nila ako because I can no longer accommodate it. Our team is really having a hard time now sa dami ng influx, so it's gonna make the process, the enrollment process smoother. So I hope, be patient with us, please be patient with us as we transition, and with the help of B and Faith of course, and the rest of the team, Dane and Doc Iris, and sino nga
Miss
ba?
Valerie.
Ah,
will
Miss
help us as well.
Valerie. Oh, sobrang gagaling po, and it's really good to work with these people. We've met previously online and now face to face, and sobrang excited na kami to work with this. Hopefully we can offer it to you, and I invite you if you think you needed help also in your products. And since ngayon pandemic, no, online na talaga lahat. Kahit
Everything
anong
is
kind
online
of
na.
business, di ba? Kahit anong advocacy or just for you. Sabi nga ni V, dapat owner tayo ng .com ng ating pangalan.
Yes.
Because
Of course.
eventually, that will become our address. So, dapat own it as soon
It will
as
be.
possible.
Yep.
Also, invite them to Conversion Engine.
Okay, so sa lahat po ng fan ni Doktora, so lahat po ng gusto sa inyong mag-transition or mag-level up ang inyong mga businesses, we're always here to help. Visit nyo lang po theconversionengine.com. So it's a platform for any businesses to transition from offline to online, or even if you're already online, we can help you level up your businesses.
Yeah.
So
That's what you really did to me. Oh, yun talaga.
of
Yun
course,
talaga.
Doktora, so it will be our pleasure to help you out.
Thank you so much. Anything more, Faith?
I think it's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, Doc.
And don't worry, the Conversion Engine just launched 2 weeks ago, 1 week
Yep.
ago.
Two weeks ago.
So
Yeah.
kindly help, no? I will tag it later in our video, the Conversion Engine. Kindly help by liking and sharing also the post there. So maraming salamat everybody. Remember to stay low carb so that we all stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.